Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, and it's time for another in this training video. You're going to learn how to email your best biz offer to 8,000 prospects every day using Infinity Mailer Boost. Now, Infinity Mailer Boost is free to join and use, and of course, earn. If you happen to be watching this video and you're not on this page here, simply scroll down into the description of the video. And right at the beginning, the first link that you're going to find, you're going to be able to click on that link, and it's going to take you right to this page here, Silver Fox JV membership page. As you scroll down, you're going to have everything that you need to build whatever money-making opportunity, whatever business you happen to be working on this page. All the training, all the tools, everything that you need will be on this page. Such as, of course, you can join the Elite Downline Club for free. ClickBank, you're going to have ClickBank training. Make sure you watch this training video here, how to make a full-time living with ClickBank. As we scroll down here, all kinds of tools. Here's one. In this training video, you're going to learn how to improve your YouTube video views and make money watching videos. And of course, now we're down to the training I'm going to be doing today, how to email your best biz offer to 8,000 prospects every day. So click on this banner here, or you can get down here and click on one of the links down here. But if we click through here, you're going to be able to join for free. And when you join, of course, I'm going to log in. But when you join, you're going to be taken to the dashboard. So let me get to my dashboard here. So log in. Here's my dashboard. Of course, I'm an upgraded member, so I get all the benefits, all the goodies for being an upgraded member. But you don't have to upgrade. See if I can get rid of this. Just love all these little pop-ups, you know what I mean? Now, you can earn Bitcoin back here. You can do some advertising for your profit opportunities. So lots of activities. Of course, you can invite new affiliates and build your downline back here with this program. But what we're going to do is we're going to send a mailing. This is what this training is all about. Send mailing. Click here. I'm going to scroll down here, and I have my templates pre-made, ready to go. I get in here every day and I do this, and it's all about building your list. That's what this is all about, gang. Don't try to sell anything. Don't try to email somebody to say, hey, listen, buy this right away. You need to build your list. So request your free viral, let's see, which one do I want to, let's use this one, no cost YouTube viral marketing system, your opportunity. So I'm going to click here, open that up. And there again, you can check the tracking. The last mailing I made for this template was October 17th, and it happens to be October 26th. So you want to always mix up your mailings, never email the same thing. And this is what I have, no investment required to request your Facebook video viral mailing system. And I programmed it to go to HarveySilverFox.com. Click here, and I say I'll be waiting for you inside. Very simple, very easy, very clean. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to preview the email, make sure it works, and click here. Now, when they click here, that's going to be a you're going to use 1 credit when they click here. So we're going to test it out. Click here. It's going to take to my lead capture page. And like I say, you never try to sell them something in your email. You get them into your list. And you've seen this before. Many of you have seen this before. This is my opt-in page, so they can get a free 6-figure step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JVZoo affiliate marketing training course. And of course, I'm going to make a video for them. All they have to do is put their first and last name here, their email address here, and their opportunity here. Okay, the test was successful. So now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to close this, and I'm going to send the email. Now notice up here, this is where you want to do it. You want to keep it in the system. Now I can send it to my using my email, but I want to keep it in their system. Keep it in their system. From Harvey, of course, memberbyrohost.com. That's in the system. It's going to send to 8,000 randomly. And I think we're ready to go. Send email. I do this every day, but I mix it up. I never send out the same email. It's send email. It's still working. It's still working. That's it. It's ready to go. Now, when you become a SilverFox JV member, what I'm going to do is I'm going to program your referral link for Infinity Mailer Boost into the description of the videos I make for you and your prospects. So if you come down here, you're going to see, learn all about that. Working our way down here, here's Infinity Traffic Boost. It's related. It's by Frank. These are both Frank's systems here. And make sure you do watch this video here, how to cherry pick the leads you want and spy on them before you add them to your list. And this video here is how to earn the right way with Infinity Traffic Boost. So make sure you go through that training. And there again, when you become a member of Infinity Traffic Boost, I will take your referral link and put it in the description of the videos I make for you and your leads. Keep working your way down here. Here's my lead gen secret. And this one here is emailing platform, a lead capture platform. You can watch this video here and learn about how you can get 50,000 subscribers, and it's got a built-in autoresponder system and pre-made lead capture pages, and of course it's got the best email marketing provider out there. Here's Prosperity Marketing System here. Keep working our way down here. Vidnami, I strongly suggest you start producing 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes 10 videos a day like I do to help build my business, and I strongly suggest you do the same thing. It's a free trial. Here's Ranking Raptor. I'm going to use Ranking Raptor to rank this video I'm making right now to get it out there with my competition. Here's a ClickBank training video. Make sure you watch this one here, how I make marketing videos for my SilverFox JV members using leads generated from all the resources found on this page here. And of course this one here, why 98% of affiliate marketers fail. Very important you watch that one. It talks about how to build your list. The money's in the list. The list is all that matters. Here's some examples of my lead capture pages here. And we keep working our way down here. Here's some more traffic. Most of these programs are free to join to help build your list. So make sure you do that. In fact, what I'll do here, when you join these programs, I will make a free marketing video for each and every one of these programs for you, placing your referral link in the video. You do not need to be a SilverFox JV member. And if you happen to be a member of these programs already, you don't have to join again. So make sure you pay attention to this and these programs down here. Here's my 6-figure step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JVZoo affiliate marketing training course. Working our way down here. When you become a SilverFox JV member, I'll take you into my live training room, and you can look over my shoulder and watch me live while I build my business. Then you can just duplicate what I do every day. So that's another benefit of becoming a SilverFox JV member. I want to keep this training video as short as possible, so you know what to do. make sure you do scroll down into the description of this video. Click on that link that'll redirect you to this page here, and then go through all the training, join and use all this. The fact, just about every tool in here is free to use. And then, of course, meet me in my Facebook group. In fact, if you go back up here, I think the Facebook group is right here. Yeah. Click here to get into my Facebook group where I can do some more training with you. All right. With that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Until our next training video, let's go out there and make some money.